Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's DEVRA to the HMOA, MOA. It's DEVRA to the HMOA, MO. So in today's video, I'll be trying to fix this mess. I know it looks bad, but I've been feeling so lazy and so terrible, just demotivated, feeling like a loser. That's how I've been feeling because it's exam season, so I never really have, I'm not in the spirits to be able to, do everything. I'm just like, I don't know. I'm feeling low. But today, I feel, up with the vibes, and I'm going to be cleaning. I'm going to be fixing everything. Most importantly, I want to fix this part. This part here, I want to get boxes to fit here and arrange all of these things together. Like, have a box here maybe for like underwear, socks, just, to avoid it looking like this, which is not a total vibe. So I'm going to go out maybe to Miniso to get these boxes, or Nomi, or whatever store that I find which has some cute little boxes, storage boxes. But not really storage boxes, they're more versatile. I don't even know. Yeah, those kind of boxes. So we're going to be going out, and then I'm going to go eat first, have some lunch. And why is Dio crying? I'm going to go have some lunch, and then get some vitamins, then go to get the boxes. So see you. Real quick, and I'm getting pasta. Well, that's the only thing I ever get here. So yeah, I'll get this one. Yep, for sure. Or this one. I don't really know what I want. I feel like everybody's outside today. I feel like everybody's just staring at me vlogging. That's why I chose this path, because I was like, oh my god, everybody's gonna be like, oh my god, why is this foreigner vlogging? Why is she having a phone in her face like that? But I'm still looking for the store. Not looking for it, I'm going to it. So yeah, if you hear any background noise or anything like that, just know that there's a lot of people outside. But right now I'm in a clear space, well, almost clear, and there's not that much noise. But I think when I'm gonna arrive, there's gonna be a bunch of little kids running around, and it's gonna be quite noisy. But let's go.
微黑金件，消费满58元，随机赠送名品名册。欢迎光临名册漫威黑金店，消费满58元，随机赠送名品名册。
I don't know if I should get this little cute trolley thing because I am feeling it. I think I'll get it when it's like 15 bucks. I think I'll get this one and then this one. I feel like the store has a better variety. Bigger sizes, smaller sizes. Just better in general. So I think I'll probably get one here. But I don't know which color. I think this one would do better. Or this one. I don't know what I want. As long as it's cute, then yeah, that's fine. I think. Okay, let me see this one on the inside. Oh, it doesn't go off. This is a good space. I feel like this would do. Plus, it has this little, I don't know what you call it. That. Let me see this one. I like this one too, but I think this is the same size that I have at home. So it wouldn't make sense to get this size. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll get this size. I don't know if in pink or in, I don't know what color this is. It looks like it's khaki. Or I could get this one here. I don't know. One more store to find a little bit more than what I have now. These are cute and basic, but definitely not what I'm looking for. Oh, these are nice. These are really good, workable with colors. I should have waited to come here first. I made two big decisions, too little, too fast. I don't know why they always want to draw, like they always print out these cringy looking, creepy faces of flamingos everywhere I go in China, literally. I'm like, what was the reason? No, these are just too small, too creepy, just too weird. I already got, let's see, let me check the price of this last little thing. Let's see if I got played or played myself. Oh, the same exact price. Not bad. Okay, good. Because I got it in a different store and I thought it'll be a little bit cheaper here or more expensive, but the same exact thing. Oh, I think I might use this. This is kind of cute. Let's see the price. Oh, hell no. Why is it 10? This is cute. I want this, actually. Yeah, I'm getting this. I'm gonna start with this part first, and I'm gonna remove everything and then clean it. Then try to fit the boxes, like try to see if they fit. If they don't fit, that would be just so sad. That would just be the saddest thing in my life right now. Okay. I have completed this. I removed the boxes, I removed just excess stuff, and we have